alaikum. My name is Hiba.
My name is Fatouche.
It's your boy Juni Jones.
My name is Amira Isa. I'm Amel. My favorite Somali mahma is Bentada hore, runtada dambe udaran tahay.
And my favorite one is Niki Sojo Blagawaya Sojifa Lagahela.
My favorite mahma is Nima Shaqaysina Shahwaka Haran.
My favorite mahma is Harago Hanun Male. And mine is Nishaqays Shama Abo. My favorite thing about Ramadan is the gatherings.
I would say mine as well, and also like seeing new halaqas that are opening up because I didn't know about a lot of them. And mashallah, there's been a lot of halaqas that are coming out, which I'm so grateful for.
And gatherings like these during Ramadan are very, very nice. My favorite thing from Ramadan is just feeling at peace. I would say Taraweeh.
And my favorite thing about Ramadan is the Ramadan vibes.
And my favorite Somali food during Ramadan is sambusa malawah. Me too, I'll say malawah.
My favorite food in Ramadan is sambusi bur.
My favorite Ramadan food will be like sambus with bur.
Mine would be my mom's lentils.
Me too.
She makes the best lentils.
Yes.